In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can fill a TreeMap chart with pictures in Microsoft Excel. So here we have a basic TreeMap chart of units sold by country for 5 respective countries. And instead of these colors, we want to have a picture representing each country. To do this, we can click on one of the data points. We don't want to double click on a data point to make sure this one point selected. Right click on it, then we want to click on Fill. From here, we want to click on Picture. And we can either select the picture from file, use a stock image, online pictures, or icons. I'm just going to use a stock image, for example. I'm going to select to type in France. Let's see if I can find a France flag. Just France. I can type. Okay. And let's just say we wanted to have this icon right here. And now one thing to note is that, you have to kind of make sure that the image works properly for what you're looking for. As you see, this doesn't look the best, but I'm going to need to edit this to really get it to look the way you want it to. Do the same thing for Canada, so double click, fill, picture, stock images, so let's show it an icon instead, Maple Leaf. We're going to have a maple leaf instead right here. Germany. Stock image. Germany. I'm just going to click on some more range of images. German. Now these pictures don't look. Now one thing is that you do have to kind of make adjustments to where this will be what you want it to be. Stock images. USA. America. And sometimes making USA. LOL. These images aren't the best, so you can tell. But as you can tell, these images don't look the best, and you do definitely have to format them to make sure that they will look the way that you want them to, which is oftentimes might be cropping the image to only get a part of it before you insert it in there, and really just having it already potentially like working on offsetting images too. Just messing around with these different settings just that way the image will look the way that you want it to and won't look so terrible. So you do. That said, I hope hope you found this to be helpful. Double click on the image, click on the image, go to the fill, offset left, offset right, -50, -40. Double click on the image. Double click on the image again. And then going to offset right by like a little bit. -40%, like you can see. There you have it. So now we have, again, you might want to have this be, whatever image that you want and make sure the image is formatted the way that you want it to be. But as you can see, this is how you can fill a TreeMap chart, or really any chart, with an image in Microsoft Excel. I said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.